In this video, we are going to talk about best performing stocks in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 10. Tidewater Inc. Tidewater is a corporation that provides oil and gas services and specializes in providing support and transportation for offshore energy projects. Tidewater, like with other oil and gas equities, has profited from the upward trend in the price of energy, particularly since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Tidewater reported an increase in revenue for the first quarter of 26.6% in May. The company's net losses came in at $11.7 million, a significant decrease from the previous year's figure of $35.2 million. According to Tidewater, its average active fleet climbed by 6 boats during the quarter, and the company's average day rate of $10,687 was the best it has been since the fourth quarter of 2020. The price of a share of Tidewater has increased by 137.6% so far this year. 9. Comstock Resources Inc. The Haynesville Shale gas basin in East Texas is the primary focus of Comstock Resources, an exploration and production business for natural gas. The price of natural gas has increased by 169% in only the last year on the open market. Comstock said in its May earnings report that it has reduced its debt by $85 million and saw quarterly revenue growth of 54.1% and operational cash flow increase of 44.1%. Furthermore, Comstock has just repurchased $244.4 million of senior notes with a 7.5% interest rate that were due in 2025. Investors in Comstock are probably anticipating even greater statistics for the second quarter given the sustained strong increase in gas prices in recent weeks. YTD, Comstock shares are up 138.6%. 8. Occidental Petroleum Corp. Oxy. U.S. oil and gas firm Occidental Petroleum is the sole big-cap stock among the top 10 market performers for 2022. Occidental has gained a huge vote of confidence from one of the largest investors on Wall Street, and it stands to gain from both increasing oil prices and the investors' bet. 7. Nutex Health Inc. NUTX. Founded on the principle that better health may be achieved via better technology, Nutex Health was born. Nutex merged with Clinigens, a health management firm formerly trading on the OTC under the symbol CLNH, in the month of April. On April 4, the merged business changed its name to Nutex and its stock ticker to NUTX, trading on the Nasdaq exchange. Following the uplisting announcement in early April, the stock exploded, rising from less than $4 on the OTC market to a high of $52.80. 6. Antero Resources Corp. AR. Antero Resources is a private oil and gas firm in North America with a primary emphasis on the Marcellus and Utica shale basins for natural gas development. Antero's stock outperformed many of its oil-focused energy rivals in the second half of May on the back of rising natural gas prices. Antero has used the money it has made due to the high price of gas in the same way that other energy firms have. The business repurchased $100 million in shares and redeemed all $585 million of its outstanding senior notes due in 2025 in the first quarter, for a total adjusted net income of $360 million. Shares of Antero have increased by 145% so far this year. 5. Sierra Oncology Inc. SRRA. Anemia caused by myelofibrosis is being treated with momelotinib, which is being developed by Sierra Oncology, a late-stage biopharmaceutical firm. When GSK plc, GSK, announced in early April that it would acquire Sierra for $1.9 billion, or $55 per share. Sierra's stock rose by nearly 38%. Already an industry leader in hematology, GSK, formerly GlaxoSmithKline, anticipates momelotinib revenues to begin in 2023 and expand steadily afterwards. 4. PBF Energy Inc. PBF, independently producing gasoline, diesel, and other refined goods as PBF Energy. PBF capitalized on the improving energy market by paying down $390 million in debt over the course of the previous 15 months, greatly strengthening the company's financial sheet. In the first quarter, diesel prices rose by 53% and gasoline prices rose by 39%. PBF reported an increase of 85.6% in first quarter sales in April. 3. Scorpio Tankers Inc. STNG. Scorpio Tankers maintains a fleet of ocean tankers that carries refined petroleum products internationally. Tanker rates jumped when Russia invaded Ukraine, and Scorpio wants to take advantage of a favorable climate by decreasing its debt by $513 million in the first half of 2022. The business anticipates stronger tanker rates will possibly assist the company produce $450 million in pro forma liquidity by the end of the second quarter. 2. Alpha Metallurgical Resources Inc. AMR. Coal is extracted by Alpha Metallurgical Resources, situated in Tennessee. Coal prices have risen in 2022 with oil and gas prices as the globe scrambles to find whatever methods possible to battle energy shortages. Despite the fact that clean energy may be the largest long-term growth trend in the energy industry. Coal prices have increased by about 251% over the last year, well outpacing the gains of crude oil, 69%, and natural gas, 169% combined. 1. Nextier Oilfield Solutions Inc. NEX. Nextier Oilfield Solutions, which provides energy services, has risen in value like other energy companies in 2022 due to increased oil and gas prices. The stock price increased by almost 20% when the company provided revised financial forecasts for the fourth quarter in early January, and it has continued to rise ever since. The $635 million in first quarter sales announced by Nextier in April was the company's fourth straight quarter of at least 25% sequential increase. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.